It's time to learn, laugh and grow. Only on Kids World. Hi kids! Welcome to Alphabet Tracing Fun. Today we are learning the letter A. That's a big letter A and small letter A. Can you say A? Awesome! Let's trace the letter A together. A is for apple, red and round. A makes an awesome sound. Let's trace big A. Start at the top, down one side, now the other side, and a line across the middle. Great job! Let's try it one more time together. Start at the top, down one side, now the other side, and a line across the middle. Wow, that's a perfect! Now let's trace small a. Make a little round circle, then a short line down, just like that. Can you do it again? Make a little round circle, then a short line down. Wonderful! You trace small a so nicely. Look, A is for apple. Apples are yummy and crunchy. Great job, kids! You traced the letter A. See you next time for another fun letter. Kids, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell to learn all your ABCs with us.